Things you should know about being human. 24 मॉलिक्यूल्स से बनते हैं सभी ह्यूमन बींग्स, जिसमें से एक मॉलिक्यूल है शुक्राना मॉलिक्यूल या शुक्र मॉलिक्यूल, शुक्र अणु। इसी के बारे में जानते हैं अन्यानी सभ्यता में, अन्य नहीं, अहम ब्रह्म। It's sugar molecule only through which one can identify humanity. This we could know from Shukrism Gyan. Only sugar molecule is the root cause for the basic nature of all males and females. The color of sugar molecule is like silver with blue shining. हरे कृष्ण हरे राम हरे हरे नीले कृष्णांश कृष्णांश नीले नीले। निष्कृष्णांश जी को भी नीले कलर से ही रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है और कृष्णांश की पूजा से ही शुक्र मॉलिक्यूल को स्ट्रेंथन किया जा सकता है। Sugar molecule only gives strength to blood so that blood reaches mind and brain, whereas generally people think that this is the functioning of heart. So much of confusion is spreaded about human beings. Lungs get the sugar molecule produced while using the energy of air. Nitrogen is also utilized in this process. That is why nitrogen is present in so much of abundance in air. Better the strength of sugar molecule is, better is the level of health of body. Shukrism Gyan, which is based on Shukra, has been discovered by a Hindi se Hindu. As we know, the basis of Hindu ecosystem is knowledge only. शुक्र मॉलिक्यूल सबसे ज़्यादा प्राप्त होते हैं देसी दूब से, जिसे हम घास भी कहते हैं, और हिंदूज़ की पूजा में ये सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ की जाती है। All elements were present in nature but were of no use. Then Mahavishnu ji created a copy of his own self and named it as Mahashukracharya. Then gave Shukra molecule to him, through which all kind of creation became possible. Because without Shukra molecule, nothing living can be present. कुछ भी जीवित नहीं रह सकता बिना शुक्र मॉलिक्यूल के। Those sugar molecules which are generated through diet, body needs to filter them, and this work is done by heart. That is why it creates pressure on heart. Whereas if sugar molecules are generated by lungs, then it strengthens digestion system and heart. To enable lungs so that they can produce sugar molecules, one has to learn how to utilize nitrogen present in the air. It cannot be automatic and it needs to be learned. Convert your lungs into a factory to produce sugar molecules. Normally, sugar of female is 10,000 times stronger than sugar of male, but it can become 10 lakh times stronger than sugar of male if female learns how to strengthen her sugar molecule. Almost 10 lakh of sperm are needed to form one single egg. If sugar molecule of wife gets weakened due to any reason, then sugar molecule of husband is surely to get sick and children will fall into the trap of confusion. This is very important info share for health of next generation and shared by Shukrazin Gyan in public interest. Infected Shukr molecule of female brings in hell vibrations for the whole family, whereas infected Shukr molecule of male spoils female's life completely. So be very careful and maintain Shukr molecule as possible. Pranam.